Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the valance and lowering the blind fully so you can see the headrail. This lets you tackle the problem immediately. Look for bent metal, cracked plastic, or a displaced cord lock, because these are the usual causes of falling blinds. Once done, clear a small workspace and lay out a screwdriver, needle nose pliers, and any spare clips or a cord lock. Having parts ready saves time and prevents guessing during the repair. Next, release cord tension and inspect the lift cords for fraying or uneven length, because a damaged cord often causes slippage. Carefully open the headrail cover and realign ladder tapes so slats sit evenly. Misaligned ladders can pull cords off track. Make sure the cord runs through the cord lock and its pawl. If the lock is worn, replace it. When you retension and pull the blind, test the glide and lock engagement to confirm the fix is holding. Finally, reassemble the headrail cover and reattach the valance, making sure brackets and screws are tight so nothing shifts under load. Operate the blind through its full travel, lower, raise, and lock at several heights, to verify smooth movement and consistent holding power. This confirms both cord and lock are functioning. If you still see slipping, make sure the mounting brackets are square and tight, and consider swapping in a new cord lock as a last.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.